Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this faux locks look using the crochet method. And this is really easy, really simple, and it's for beginners, I should say. So if you're someone who doesn't really do your own hair, or you've never done crochet before, this hairstyle is for you. It took me literally less than 3 hours, and that was pretty much just a preparation to put the crochet in. So putting the actual hair in only took like an hour and a bit. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. So the hair I purchased was from Amazon. It came with 6 packs and the color 1B, and it was 16 inches. It also came with a little note in the bag just saying thank you and leave 5 stars and blah blah blah. So the first thing you need to do is section your hair like so. Don't worry about the parts being neat, because I'm going to show you at the end how to cover that up. I did use an edge control to section my hair. As you can see, there's little white flakes in my hair, which is the gel, so don't be alarmed. So I'm going to use my crochet tool, which you can find at any hair shop. I think it's like £1 or less. I'm going to push it underneath my braid, and then I'm going to hook the little loop from the crochet hair onto that little hook, making sure that it's locked so it doesn't get caught in my hair, and then pull it back through the direction I put it through. You want to take that same loop and your hair and just put your hair through the loop, making a little knot. Once you've done that, you want to open the thread in the direction that it's coiling in, and then wrap it around your hair. What I like about this company and the quality of the hair is that once you open it and it coils back tightly around your hair, whereas some companies' hair products don't do that. So just be careful with what products you buy when it comes to the crochet method. As you saw at the end, I just rubbed the hair together just to make sure that it was secure. So there you have it, very easy, very simple. Like I said, I'm going to do the rest of my head, and I'm going to come back at the end and show you how I fill it up and make it less patchy. So now I've covered all my hair, I'm just feeling for some areas that I feel like could be a little bit fuller. So I'm just going in and crocheting the hair into some spaces that I feel like could be a little bit fuller. It could be anywhere. As you can see, the hair blends very well with my hair texture, which is 4C, I think. And yeah, it blends in really well. As you can see, the back, you cannot see the sections in the back, so you can put as many as you want and you can make it as full as you want. So I don't put any of the locks on the front sections that I've made. I just put it behind, so the section just behind, I put it on those, so that makes it look a bit more natural, and it actually hides it very well. But so far I really love this hair. It's a really good quality, probably the best crochet pieces of hair that I've worked with so far. And yeah, I shall see how it holds up. I'll let you guys know. So I'll link where I got the hair from in the description box, and thank you for watching. That's pretty much it, guys. Very simple and easy, like I said. The passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub.